All right, well, it may be sunny right now in Burbank, but there is 100% chance of showers in our studio because it's time to play Make It Rain.
It's raining. Hallelujah, it's raining. I'm gonna go out and gonna let myself.
Okay, where are Kelsey Kuhn and Kristen Johnson?
One more.
Oh my God, you're so cute. Okay, here's how the game works, you guys. Hidden somewhere under one of these umbrellas is $5,000 cash. Unfortunately, under the other ones is a lot of water. So you're gonna have to go stand over there. Go. Okay, go. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna ask you a question. As soon as you know the answer, grab the water bottle. If you are right, you get to pick an umbrella. Ready? The new season of Ellen's Game of Games just started. What's the name of the game where if you don't know, you go?
Shoot. I'm gonna go with Know or Go.
That's correct! That is correct!
I'm sure.
Oh!
It's really cold. Oh. Okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry about that.
Oh my gosh.
All right, guys, hands behind your back. Okay. I forgot to say that part of the game. All right. The Grammys are this Sunday, and Ellen was nominated for her comedy album, Relatable. Tell me something relatable about you.
To Ellen,
You tell me something relatable about you. And okay, go.
I'm a female and she's a female. Is that related?
That is correct. That is correct.
Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna go back here. It's really, really cold. Oh my God. Okay. Please.
Ah!
Oh God. Please stop it. It's so cold. My God. Oh my.
I know.
It's cold.
So mean. Okay, guys, hands behind your back. Here we go. Lizzo has 8 Grammy nominations. Finish the lyrics to this Lizzo song.
Okay.
I do my hair, toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
Feeling good as hell.
That's correct.
I want you to get wet too. Oh.
Make it rain.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, wait.
You're not going home empty-handed. I just remembered I have 2 more tickets to the Grammys, so you're going too.